Harmanpreet Kaur from Jagat Guru Nanak Dev, Punjab State Open University, Patiala. This is History Lecture Series, Semester 2, Medieval India. Today's topic is Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Firoz Shah Tughlaq ruled from 1351 to 1388. He was the cousin of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Muhammad bin Tughlaq did some experiments on Delhi Sultanate. Like he tried to shift his capital, he issued copper currency, he tried to impose extra revenue in the Doab region. He also tried to attack Khurasan and Karachal region. All his experiments were failed. He was known as wisest fool in history. After all this, the entire Delhi Sultanate crashed. He chose his cousin Firoz Shah Tughlaq to assume the throne to sort it out everything. Firoz Shah Tughlaq took number of decisions to handle Delhi Sultanate in a better way. He tried to appease everybody. He cancelled the loans of the peasants which had been advanced by his predecessors. He did not give any harsh punishments, and all the inhuman practices like cutting of hands and nose were banned. Agriculture was developed by the reclamation of wasteland and by providing irrigation facilities. He constructed 4 canals for irrigation. He also took a strong decision. He made Iqtidari system hereditary. The principle of hereditary recognized not only in civil officer but also in army. Soldiers were given land assignments instead of cash payment. He imposed 4 types of taxes to strengthen his treasury: Kharaj, Zazia, Zakat and Khams. Kharaj tax is a land tax equal to 1/10 of the produce of land. It was taken from the Hindus only. Secondly, Zazia, a tax by non-Muslims, taken from the Brahmins as well. Zakat is a property tax that is 2.5% and it is taken from Muslims. Khams is 1/5 of the war booty captured in war. He took steps to translate the Hindu religious texts and Sanskrit books on music into Persian. He established towns like Hisar, Firozpur, Fatihabad, Firozabad, Firoz Shah Kotla and Jaunpur. He set up hospitals, he dug number of canals, he established dams and mosques, he repaired Qutub Minar. He also changed his capital to Firozabad, and he shifted 2 pillars, Ashokan pillars from Topara in Ambala and Meerut to Firozabad. He was very fond of slaves. He is having 1,80,000 slaves. He wrote a book, Futuhat-e Firoz Shahi. He was famous for temple breaking. He destroyed number of temples. In history, number of scholars blamed him for temple breaking. Barni was his court historian. He wrote 2 popular works, that is Tarikh-e Firoz Shahi and Fatwa-e Jahandari. In his court, we have seen Khwaja Abdul Malik Izami was there and he wrote Futuha us-Salatin. He formed 2 important establishments. He established a setup Diwan-e Khairat and built a hospital, that is Darul Shafa, a charitable hospital at Delhi. He introduced 2 types of coins, that is Adha and Bik. Adha is 50% of the Jital and Bik is the 25% of the Jital. If you look at this picture, these were the coins of Firoz Shah Tughlaq. After Firoz Shah Tughlaq, we have seen the later Tughlaqs ruled the empire. Firoz Shah Tughlaq was succeeded by his grandson, who took up the title of Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq Shah. He was a pleasure-loving king who tried to strengthen his position by merely disposing of all possible rivals. Ghiyasuddin was replaced by Abu Bakr Shah in 1389. Abu Bakr was replaced by Nasiruddin Muhammad in 1390, who ruled till 1394. His son Alauddin Sikandar Shah ascended the throne briefly in 1394. but he fell sick almost immediately after his accession and he died in 1394. So we have seen the later Tughlaqs were quite weak and they were replaced by the other Tughlaqs in a short while. During the reign of Nasiruddin Mahmud, we have seen Temur invaded the country. Temur, he was a great Mongol leader of Central Asia. He became the head of Chagatai Turks at the age of 33. He conquered Mesopotamia, Afghanistan. He reached Delhi in 1398. At the time of Nasiruddin, he attacked the country. Temur ordered general massacre in Delhi, robbed people mercilessly. He was responsible for all the loot and the plunder. He was responsible for the decline of Tughlaqs. After that, Tughlaqs, the reign of Tughlaqs ended and the reign of Sayyids started, and the Sayyid ruler Khizr Khan is one of the supporter of Temur. That's all about this lecture. Thank you.